What is going on, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Banks, coming at you live with another trade recap. And how can I put this silently? We murdered the market today, took AMD, took shop, gave the trade plans on Sunday, gave the trade plans today, and absolutely killed it, hitting AMD for almost 200% on a Monday with a weekly. The only way the Wolves do it. But let me go ahead and get started. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of these daily live educational videos that make you a better trader, because that's why you're here, to stop yourself from struggling from trading and become consistent and profitable with your boy, Mr. Banks. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you guys real quick. I mean, guys, we gave the trade plan, or at least I gave the trade plan on Sunday to the Wolves. Shot break and hold 62.50, AMD break and hold 90.50, and gave the trade plan again today. And I even gave the call outs today as well. Shop, AMD, absolutely ran it up. Give my intraday analysis on them as well. And we smoked the market, even killed some spy calls earlier in the day as well. So congratulations to everyone in the group. I mean, the team absolutely ran it up today. So congratulations to everyone. But you guys came here for a trade recap. So let me go ahead and get started with this for you guys. AMD 90.50, 90.50. How did I get this level? Well, as you guys know, I like to use the 1 hour for my major levels. We've had this level for quite a while now. It was a big support level, as we could see here, turned into a resistance. So, I mean, we've had this level since April. It's a major level. Major levels will keep playing over and over again, because guys, stocks only play level to level. You don't need to overcomplicate this. They will play to a support and to a resistance, and over and over and over and over and over and over again. 90-50 level, big level, right? Support and a big move off of it as a resistance. I mean, and look what happened. We played to that same exact level again today. So the 1 hour is where I found this level. We've had it since April. You could see it even played out in May. It even played out on Friday, right? It even played out to this level, rejecting it on Friday. So let's get down to the nitty gritty. How do we play this break and hold? Well, when we're looking at break and holds, guys, what we really are looking for is a full body candle closure, usually using the 5-minute time frame. You can use the 2-minute as well, but we want to use the 5-minute time frame at our major levels and get a full body closure on the breakout, right? So we can break out, right? Get a nice retest. We want this full body. If part of this body is below the level, it is invalidated. We need to wait until the full body closes above the level. Now, I'm not talking about the wicks or the tails. So not these wicks or tails, whatever you like to call them. I'm talking about the body of the candle, right? This body. It needs to have a full body closure above this level. Now, this is a false breakout. We did take this for 20% at open, killed that little scalp, but then we took this for 196%, as you saw the second time around. So when we're playing the break and holds, for one, the 1 hour time frame is what I like to use best to find my major support resistance levels, to find my major breakout levels. We saw that 90-50 was a big level, and then on Friday we saw that 90-50 was another big level. So if we broke and held above this level of 90-50, which was also the high of Friday, more than likely that's bullish sentiment. We're going to continue higher. So when we got that second breakout of the day, we had a solid break and hold with a full body candle closure above our level. And this is where we took that second trade for 196% today, as you guys saw in the group. So guys, break and holds, break it down one more time. Look at the 1 hour for your major levels. We've had this level all the way since April, but this was also another major level. I mean, in May, right? And even on Friday, this 90-50 was a pretty big level that we needed to break and hold. So using the 1 hour time frame is where I found this big level. And then on the 5 minute time frame is where we had our break and hold, right? I mean, insane run today. But again, we want to see a full body candle closure of a candle above our level, right? Not this, but a full body candle closure above the level on the 5 minute time frame is going to give you your break and hold. Stop playing false breakouts. This will give you a solid foundation of a break and hold. So wait until that full body candle closure happens above your level. Again, full body candle closure above the level, not the wicks, but the body closes above that level will give you your break and hold, will give you that risk to reward to take a breakout trade. So, hope you guys enjoyed that part of it. Another thing, BBR strategy. I'm going to go over it really quick. I have a bunch of videos on the YouTube that you guys can check out. But real quick for everyone that is retuning in that uses my BBR strategy, let's go ahead and throw our EMAs that we use on here. The 200, the 13, the 8, and the 48. I mean, look how picture perfect this is. For those that don't know, let me break it down for you really quick. Since I'll just show what we are looking at today. The 200 EMA is going to be our long-term trend. Above is bullish. Here, I'll go to the 2 minute as well. Sorry. So 2 minute time frame, you can use the 2 minute or the 5 minute. So 200 EMA above equals bullish. So for those that can't understand price action or candlesticks, action that well, right? The price action that well. This strategy really helps you hone in what is bullish on the day. Is it a trending day? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? And this strategy really helps you uh hammer in price action, right? So the 200 EMA, right, is this purple line here. If we're above it is bullish. If we're below it, that equals bearish. Now, this 1348 EMAs is what we also like to use. So if this 13, the green line, crosses above that 48, the red line, that is also bullish. So 13 EMA crosses up the 48 EMA, that equals bullish, right? So now we got two bullish things going for us. What else are we looking at? Well, we're also looking at yesterday's high and pre-market high. Okay, perfect. Well, we have our level of that 90-50. What else are we looking at? Well, we're looking at yesterday's high and pre-market high. Are we above pre-market high? Yes. Above pre-market high equals bullish. And if we're above yesterday's high, that also equals bullish. So playing the BBR strategy on AMD today, if that's how you played it, again, I don't really need this, but I created this strategy for you guys to learn price action, for you guys to understand what is a trend day, how to take trades at levels, right? So how we use this, right? We're above the 200 EMA, so this purple line, that's going to equal bullish. Perfect. So now we got one bullish statement for us. 13 EMA crosses up to 48. This green line crosses up with that 48. That's also bullish. So we got two bullish things going for us. We're above the pre-market high and we're above yesterday's high at our 90-50 level. Now we have four bullish confluences going for us when we hit our level right here. Right? So using this BBR strategy, again, I have way more in-depth videos. I just want to go over this very quickly for you guys that are returning. Thank you guys for returning. We have four confluences going for us using the BBR strategy, right? And now we take the trade once we have that break and hold here, right off the 8, right off the 13. We're taking our entry at our level. Perfect. Now, one thing we can do to stay in the trade is where this 8 EMA comes into play. Now we can hold on to the trade, right? So this orange line is the 8 EMA. We take the trade here, right? We had that break and hold of a full body candle closure here. Now we could stay in the trade until we break under this 8 EMA. So we use this 8 EMA, this orange line here, as the trend, right? Our trend is your friend. So you can sell. Our next level was 92. So say we sold most of our position, but we hold runners here. We can stay in our runners until we had a full body candle closure above or under that level, which would have been right here. So we took the trade right here. We could have stayed in runners all the way until that trend breaks. Let me take off these for you. Until that trend breaks underneath that level with, again, a full body candle closure, which you see a full body candle closure, right? This is not a full body candle closure. This is, right? The body of the candle closed below our 8 EMA, which is our trend. So we take the trade here. We can hold runners until that trend breaks, right? The trend didn't break until we got to right here on this candle with the full body candle closure. So quick run through on that BBR strategy. Again, I want you guys to get to the point where you're just playing these levels. You're looking at that candlestick price action and you're taking a trade. But using all these EMAs, you can use them as confluences, right? So this is specifically designed for those who are newer to learn price action. Another thing we are seeing is obviously we're above the 200, the 1348 crossed. We're above yesterday's high. We're above pre-market high. But another thing we're seeing is these EMAs diverging, right? They're pulling apart. That is showing you that a trend is being formed. Do you guys see how these EMAs are all bundled up here? There's no trend. So when these EMAs start to diverge, that means pull apart, there is also a trend forming. So couple different ways that you could use these EMAs and the BBR strategy for those who are new and having a hard time trading. Now, again, I have more in-depth trades or trade recaps with the BBR strategy in my YouTube, so check those out. But really quickly, right? This was a quick run through of using the BBR strategy. Now let's go to shop, right? 6250 break and hold. I mean, this was such a clean break and hold. Again, diverging trend, right? We're above the 200, 1348 crossed, and then we're at this level, break and hold. We broke, nice retest, full body candle closure above this level. We took this trade for over 100%, hit exactly at our 65 level here. So really nothing more to say about this, right? We need to understand break and holds. It's really just a break and hold of our major level, a full body candle closure. That risk reward is now there with momentum, break and hold, hit our next level of 65, and we absolutely killed it today. So hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a quick run through on break and holds. Again, wait for that full body candle closure. Use the 1 hour to find your major levels here. when we are taking trades. The 6250 level was just the previous high on Friday. Once we knew that we broke that level, we were going to go to the next level because, again, stocks just play level to level. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Hopefully, I see you in the wolves and we start to bank together. Have a great day. Let's have a great trading week. I will see you next time.